What's going on, guys? Joel Robinson here. I'm shooting Angry Angel from Doremi Fireworks. Angry Angel, another cake from Doremi Fireworks. This one, 25 shots, 500 gram. Obviously, it's a fan. The performance on the side, you like to pause and read the full thing, but looks like mixed colors, a lot of strobe, some willow. I'm excited to see this one shot off. Duration is not noted on the effect. I've enjoyed all of the fireworks so far from Doremi, so let me know if you guys are as well in the comments below.